This is me watching my YouTube channel. I welcome you to my channel. So this video is interesting for you if you are beginners, or if you want to SEO, if you want to rank your Wix website and earn massive income from the Wix website to listing your product and sell out your product on the Wix website. So this video is interesting for you because in this video I'll tell you step-by-step guidance if you're beginners. So according to my experience, how to rank your Wix website and how to sell out product and how to generate massive income from the this Wix website. So this video is interesting for you because in this video I'll tell you step-by-step guidance how to do SEO, the professional SEO of the Wix website. If you don't do the professional SEO of the Wix website, you are not able to sell out your product, so you can't generate massive income from the Wix website. If you are doing the best and the professional SEO of the Wix website, you can generate massive income and your sell out product will be increasing day by day. So in this video, in this full tutorial, I'll tell you how to do SEO of the Wix website for free. Because in this video, I'll share my experience. How did I do the SEO of the Wix website for free, and how did I generate massive income from this website using and listing all my product, and how I engage all the customer and sell out product. This video is interesting for beginners. In this video, I'll teach you step-by-step guidance how to do SEO on the Wix website. Before starting this video, my name is Sajjad and I create content like Wix and web development and YouTube, especially YouTube tips and tips on online earning money from different sources and online platforms like Amazon, Shopify, Wix, and all of things. So if you want to press my content, so kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. And kindly, I humbly request, if you want to understand something from here, so kindly watch this video completely. So if you want to skip this video, you are not able to understand something from here. So let's move to the computer screen.
Welcome on the Wix website's SEO tutorial. So first of all, you'll have to complete a Wix website tutorial, and you'll have to complete the Wix website totally. So if you have created all the Wix websites, so finally in the last you'll have to need a SEO. So first of all, you'll have to go on the side menu, and then you'll have to watch on the screen the three dots, then click on the Google SEO. Then you'll have to write totally SEO, your title, your description, and you have to use the best keyword which you can rank, which you can search and rank your Wix website especially. So these are the best and the wonderful keywords you'll have to use in the keyword title especially and description. You'll have to write the best description of your Wix website and step by step the total about us, your home, and especially we are contact us and maintenance. You are watching on the screen, especially you'll have to click on this. Kindly note that you'll have to use the best keywords and the best title and the best description in the every button you are watching on the screen especially. So if you don't use the best keyword and the best title in the searchable keywords on your description and your title, you are not able to rank your website especially. So your website will not be in the research search. So I humbly request, kindly SEO the best you are watching on the screen, the Google SEO, and then you'll have to upload your best image from the free image websites, and you'll have to select your URL here and you are watching the screen. So put the URL and the best description and best title and this keyword especially, so then you are able to rank your Wix website. And a lot of Wix website already here, so you can. So this was the information I provided in this video. I hope you like my videos and share with friends. So if you need this type of video, I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.